Hi, I'm Imperialbutt. I'm a cosplayer.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
Hi, I'm Imperialbutt. I'm a cosplayer and sometimes I make videos. I felt like making this video today since I have something to unbox and I'm really excited to unbox it. So I got this box from TwilekPam since I ordered a new pair of Lekku. Another pair. And I've been waiting all day to open it. So if you just excuse me, I'm just gonna open it. This is way harder than it looks. It's finally open. Very important information if you order from her. Oh my god. It's such a pretty green color. And she got a little heart shape on her Lekku. Oh my god. Okay.
Hello there.
We got a little ear cons. But definitely worth the wait since I love this. I really like this. Another one for the collection.
In addition to my collection.
Oh, that was a very short unboxing video. I sometimes forget my YouTube channel exists. But if you would like to see more videos or want me to do specific videos, just leave suggestions in the comments. So yeah, that was the unboxing video. Thank you for watching it and maybe till the next time that I make a video.